Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the cigarette lighter in your Volkswagen Jetta. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the key is removed from the ignition. For extra precaution, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This simple step prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you work. Often, a non-working lighter is due to a blown fuse or a small coin causing a short. The most common reason your cigarette lighter stops working is a blown fuse. First, locate your Jetta's fuse box, which is usually found underneath the steering wheel or behind a small panel on the dashboard. Refer to your owner's manual to pinpoint the specific fuse for the 12-volt outlet. Once identified, use a fuse puller or small pliers to carefully remove it. If the metal bridge inside is broken, it's blown. Replace it with a new fuse of the identical amperage, often a 15 or 20 amp fuse. If replacing the fuse doesn't solve the problem, you'll need to replace the entire socket. Begin by carefully prying off the trim panel surrounding the cigarette lighter, often located in the center console or near the ashtray. A plastic pry tool works best to avoid scratches. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the lighter socket. Some models might have a small light housing or a retaining nut that needs to be removed before the socket can be pushed or twisted out. Now it's time to install your new cigarette lighter socket. Carefully insert the new socket into the opening, ensuring it's oriented correctly and clicks firmly into place. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the back of the new socket, making sure the connection is secure and tight. Once the socket is installed and wired, reattach the trim panel, aligning all clips and gently pressing until it snaps back into position. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and test the new lighter to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.